आप जब बीच में गए थे, so I was trying to step into your shoes and trying to tell our viewers that look, uncertainty was always there. Correct me if
Yeah,
what I
that was
said was
there.
wrong, although
Yes.
you will have to certify this कि uncertainty तो हमेशा ही था. सिर्फ फर्क ये था, आपका एक रूटीन था, आपको पता था गर्मियों की छुट्टियों में यहाँ जाना है, नेक्स्ट वीक यहाँ जाना है, साल के एंड में ये होगा, क्रिसमस आएगी, दिवाली आएगी, ब्ला 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 ब्ला. नाउ बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ अ सडन होल वर्ल्ड हैज चेंज, तो वो अनसर्टेनिटी का रेलेवेंस और ज्यादा बढ़ गया है. एम आई राइट, रश्मि? You were you were
So,
introducing yourself. Yes, please carry on. Yes.
yeah. So basically, I'm a life designer and I make an effort to help people make their life perfect
Wow.
by guiding them to walk on a path which is guided by the divine. So since these days life is full of stress, people come across so many problems, be it at personal front or professional front. They face problems related to finances, career, business, education, relationships.
Yeah.
So, if you talk about in today's time in COVID era,
Yeah.
like everybody is staying in the same house and
Yeah.
misunderstandings in relationships, they are very likely to build in, especially when there is no domestic help.
True,
So,
true, true.
going to add to that. So, I, as an astrologer, I work on the energies, the imbalance of energies. I check whether there's a balance or there's an imbalance of energies, whether at home or at workplace. I also need to check the position of planets, if there's any malpositioning of planets in somebody's horoscope, if they are malefic or they are debilitated. And of course, I talk about numerologically. I check about the numerological mismatch combination of numbers, and not to forget about the Vastu defects also, which add
Wow.
to it. And,
Wow. So let me interrupt you here. So it's astrology, numerology, tarot, it's a face reading, vastu. My goodness, you seem to be having a whole treasure. So I have a question here first. How do you decide that what works for whom, astrology or numerology, or the results of all of these have to be same, isn't it?
see, the results, the end result is the same. And
Yeah.
most accurate one, if you're talking about, is astrology. I'll share an example with you. I'm sure you must be aware of Nakshatra.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
an astrological exhibition, which happens at Pragati Maidan.
Yeah.
So year before last, somebody came to me with his colleague, and I gave some predictions to them, and they were really very very surprised.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
like, how do you know? Like, it's like the way you're answering, it looks to me as if you knew me for years. So he was so impressed that next day he came with his wife. And
Wow.
so whatever queries were asked, I answered them immediately, and of course they were very very accurate. So immediately, it was very very tough discussion going on. It was a very serious discussion going on because I was talking about a disease called cancer, which his wife was suffering through. So I was, very subtle, very submissive, very quiet, and speaking in low volume. Suddenly, the husband asked his wife, "Nikal mere paise." I
Oh.
was like, what the hell? What is it happening?
Yeah.
So it was basically, the husband had betted his wife that in case she's
Oh.
100% true, you
Oh,
have
wow.
to pay me the compensation.
Wow. Wow.
So
Lovely.
this is the extent of accuracy.
Well, that speaks
There's
of your
one more
expertise.
event.
That speaks of your expertise and accuracy. Now,
One more
hang on,
event
hang on,
happened.
Rashmi. Before we proceed further, and I'm sure all our viewers and followers, there are about 25,000 of them, who want to
That's
know,
amazing.
right now, when is this Corona era going to end? What do
I
your
think
forecasts say?
everybody.
Or is it going to end? Is it going to end at all? We are now talking of living with this virus, making friends with this virus, and this is just going to stay in the, wherever it is invisible. But ये तो अब
No, no,
साथ
no.
रहने
Don't
वाली है
worry.
इसके
Things are going
इस
to be fine very soon. I am
so
going to
what is
come up with
your
my. Yeah.
what is
I'm
your
going to
crystal
even
ball
come up
saying?
with yeah. See, firstly, let me share with you the new year started with the bad news of Corona, right?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
this is 2020 is what? If you talk about numerologically, it is 2
Yeah.
plus 0 plus 2 plus 0. That combination
Yeah.
makes it 4.
Yeah.
So 4 is a year of Rahu. Rahu is what? It is a delusional planet. And
Oh.
if you talk about astrologically, Rahu is presently transiting in a constellation, a nakshatra called Ardra. Ardra
Oh,
is what is poison. And
oh.
so this damage, whether you talk about the astrological analysis or you talk about the numerological analysis, this Rahu had to show its true nature. And had it
Wow.
not shown it now, it would have been really disastrous later on a much larger
Mhm.
scale, I would say.
So can we make a request to Mr. Rahu in any way?
Yes, there's a good news as well. It has probably listened to everybody. Rahu will be transiting in Mrigashira Nakshatra on May
Hmm.
20th this year. So
Okay.
there will be so from May 20th till January next year, it will be there in Mrigashira Nakshatra, Mrigashira constellation. So what is going to happen in this phase? We are
Mm-hmm.
surely going to have some vaccine, some medicine, some cure for
Oh.
sure. And by middle June, the cases will start declining. The graph will gradually slow down. By
Mm-hmm.
September, we will be having 90 to 95% free India, corona-free India, not just India, the entire world. And by
Hmm.
the end of December this year, we can declare ourselves corona-free.
Wow, fantastic. This is
Yes.
headlines.
So
This is
yes. So
headlines,
Rahu
ladies and
is what?
gentlemen.
It is problem plus solution.
This is headlines. Rashmi has made the forecast that by December we'll be totally out of this.
Yes.
By September, and between May and September we'll have a treatment or a vaccine or something coming up. Well, this is great news. This is great news. I think you have sort of related to the name of the show. No heavens have fallen down.
Yes.
Now
Actually, no
now
heavens have fallen down.
yeah. So tell me now. I have another question for you, Rashmi. This is in the context of the situation around the world. Now, when you go for individual consultation, so because now राहु जी तो नक्षत्र में ही आए हुए हैं, राहु जी तो अभी आए हुए हैं, तो वो तो सभी के लिए आए हुए हैं. They are he's
That
he's
is
there
true.
for everyone, right? तो फिर
That is true.
जो इंडिविजुअल प्रिडिक्शंस होती हैं ऐसे में, वो सबकी एक जैसी होती हैं या वो उसमें सभी पे राहु जी का असर दिखेगा, और विल दैट बी डिफरेंट?
See, no, it will be for sure different. But since Rahu is a delusional planet, it is not going to do good to anybody. It will not leave anyone. But the extent of damage will vary. So, if suppose in somebody's birth chart, Rahu is malposited or is
Yeah.
debilitated, the impact of these persons are going to be really bad. And especially,
Oh.
see, Rahu is number 4. All those people who are born on 4th, 13th, 22nd or 31st of any month, they are much safer. Rahu is not going
Oh,
to give
wow.
troubles to them.
Just a moment. I have a comment. Really love this concept of life design. We can surely enhance the quality of life. Yes, life designing is amazing. I mean,
Yes.
while you were away, I was telling the viewers, Rashmi, we've heard of dress designing, we have heard of home designing, we have heard of interior designing, we have heard of garden designing, we have heard of all sorts of designing. But life designing means you want your life your way. Life will just go as per your objectives. Am I right? The way you want. I think that is what life designing. So tell us a little more about life designing. In fact, I missed it earlier. Thank you, Ravneet, for reminding me. What exactly is life designing?
See, when you have any issues in your life, for example, let us say a person X, he's been struggling for his job, he's not doing well in his job, he's not gelling well with his bosses, his promotion is due for years, he's always
Yeah.
trapped in work politics. So at times a person questions that what is my fault and why I am the victim. So all these
Mm-hmm.
questions are well versed, well answered by life designer. Life designing means what? To make your life perfect. How is your life
Yeah.
perfect? When you're free of problems, when you have peace
Yeah.
of mind, when you're
Yeah.
happy, when you have
Yeah.
an urge to live to its fullest, when
Yeah.
you feel that you are accepted, you are loved, when you feel you are actually valued, acknowledged. So this all
Mm-hmm.
happens when you're stress free, when you're problem free, in fact.
Mm-hmm. Lovely. That's fantastic. Now, a lot of people, Rashmi, are these days losing their jobs. The businesses have been ruined because they've lost their sales. The businesses are closed. The offices, factories, shops, whatever is the business, they are closed. And crores and crores of people, in fact, around the world, 1.6 billion people, 160 crore people have lost their jobs. सो
Yes.
अब इतने लोगों की एक साथ नौकरी चली गई, तो ये वही राहु जी का असर है या
Very true.
हाँ,
Yes.
इज इट
Yes.
दैट वे?
Somewhere or
सो
other. See, I've already researched in the 3 to 4. I could get only data for 3 to 4 people.
हम्म
All those who are corona victims.
हम्म
So, in 3 cases out of 4, I have researched are their horoscope has a position in which Rahu is not well placed. It is malefic. It is mal
ओह
positive.
आई सी आई सी
And the
आई सी
fourth one, this guy didn't have his birth details accurate, so no accurate decision, no accurate prediction I was able to
Mm-hmm.
make.
So what should such kind of people do, Rashmi? They can only wait, or can they do something about it?
No, no, no. There are a lot of things one can do. See, Rahu has created the problem, and Rahu will
Yeah,
create the solution as it is moving
yeah.
on from Ardra Nakshatra to Mrigashira Nakshatra. So we have to do a lot of remediation for the same. They're as basic as your daily routine, but
Oh,
my forte is that I provide very easy, effective, and simple remediation. And my main research in this program is to talk about oil pulling. I'll come into detail a little later. Provided in the beginning, I'll talk about few
one
more
one
basic
sec, one
ones.
sec. We have a comment because we always take comments from our viewers.
Yeah, please.
Sanjay Gupta ji, such life sciences will attract people's attention greatly in future. Yes, absolutely, Mr. Gupta. That is the whole objective of calling Rashmi here, because I think Rashmi is going to be the most desirable professional in the times to come, because और क्योंकि ये राहु जी तक भी संदेशा भेज के उनको कुछ रिक्वेस्ट भी कर सकती है कि राहु जी प्लीज शांत हो जाइए, जल्दी से चले जाइए, और आपने क्या कर दिया, ये कहाँ फंसवा दिया. यस सर, रश्मि प्लीज कैरी ऑन.
And also, I'll add to this. Ever since I initially in the first 3 days of my research in this Rahu, not just me, all those who are working on it, they will be coming under the impact of Rahu. They'll fall sick either through their throat, anything. They'll feel restless. Nothing could
My
be
God.
diagnosed, but there will be something or other they'll feel. Like on Sunday, I was doing something important on Rahu. I was the whole day I was down. Like I was not able to ready to. I was not ready to get up. I was feeling so restlessness. I don't know what was happening. I wasn't having fever, no throat issues, nothing. But still, there was something. My energy levels were low. So all those people who have been working and researching on Rahu, they must be having a tough time. So
Oh,
as I've already said that by doing astrological remediations, we cannot nullify the impact of anything, but we can reduce the damage though. For
how?
example, if you talk about if
Yeah.
a person has to fall ill, he will
Hmm.
fall ill, but the extent of damage will be less. Similarly, if a person has to come under the impact of corona, he will for sure come under the impact of this corona, but the extent of damage will be less. So this is one thing. Then Rahu is what? Rahu is again breath. So
Yeah.
breath. So problems are likely to be there through breath. Rahu is gas, air.
Yeah.
So problems have to. It was destined to have these problems. So since Rahu is creating problems, so we have to find solution regarding Rahu only. So we need to do some basic remediations. Firstly, there's something called coriander, dhania. I'm sure this is there in every Indian house, whether
Yeah,
in
yeah.
the green form or in dry form. If you talk about the dry
Okay.
form, it looks dhania seeds, coriander seeds are
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
They're pale green
Oh,
in
yes.
color. So you
Yeah,
can
yeah.
either have it's green form of coriander, or you can have the seeds of coriander or in powdered form. So consume that in any form. In any case, we are using coriander in all our meals every day, but the quantity of it has to be increased a little bit. One thing is this. Secondly, we have to start growing it in our houses, in our kitchen gardens. So, and not just growing it, you have to actually take good care of it so that it doesn't die. Because Rahu impact is there, people will find it difficult to grow coriander as well. So they have to take an extra care to grow it. This is one thing. Then there's one line chanting of related to Lord Rahu, that is Om Ram Rahave Namaha. I repeat, Om
Om
Ram
Ram
Rahave
Rahave Nama.
Namaha. Exactly. This
Nama.
chanting has to be started after
Om
sunset.
Ram Rahave Nama, right?
Exactly. So this chanting has to be started every day after sunset, maybe for 10 minutes or so. That's enough. That is enough. And we have to eat food related to Rahu. The main food is hibiscus flower, durva grass, coriander. I've already mentioned. Black lentils, that is urad dal, then garlic, onion, etc.
Wow.
Now, the main prevention and cure, the main, you can say the tool of prevention and cure is oil pulling. What is oil pulling? Oil pulling people have been practicing since years, but in this Corona time, it has proved to be quite useful. Many have experienced it, and they have benefited it as well. What you have to do is, since as of now, usually if you have mustard oil or sesame oil at home, I would advise you to use that. But in case you don't have sesame oil or mustard oil, please don't panic. Please don't go out. Don't go out running for grocery shops. That Rashmi has told us we need to go out immediately. We can go there. You can manage with any cooking oil as of now. So later when you're going out for your basic needs to buy your groceries, you can pick up sesame oil or mustard oil, but you're not in a hurry. Nothing is happening as of now in some time. So what you will have to do is take 1 teaspoon of sesame oil or mustard oil, just sip it, hold it in your mouth and swish it like this.
Oh.
So this swishing has to be for a period of 15 minutes. For the first 2-3 days, this swishing like this.
Yeah.
So what is going to happen is...
But you don't have to swallow it. You don't have to swallow it.
Not at all. You don't have to swallow it. You have to just swish it out. Swish it off. So when you're swishing it out, you have to do it for 15 minutes every day. But initially, you will find it very difficult to do it because your mouth will start paining, your cheeks will start paining. So you can start with probably 5 minutes. During this time, you can go through your mobile, WhatsApp messages. You'll hardly see how the time will pass by. You can read a newspaper. You can do any of your daily chores. And after 5 minutes initially, for the first 3-4 days, do it for 5 days. Gradually increase it to 7 minutes, 8 minutes, and maybe by the end of 10 days, you will be able to do it exceptionally well for a period of 15 minutes. And once you have mastered doing it for 15 minutes, what you have to do you have to, after swishing for 15 minutes, you have to throw out this foamy oil, not in your sinks, not in your basins, because you're going to clog it. You have to either flush it out or put it in your dustbin or throw it somewhere outside. You don't have to put it in your basins. The drains are very narrow, it will be clogged. So the science behind is, you can recall when you get up right in the morning, what is the body part that smells the most foul? That is our mouth. So what happens is all the bacteria and viruses, they are accumulated in our mouth right in the morning. So the best way to throw them out is by swishing them off by using oil pulling. So, and also, secondly, when you are swishing it away, since they are all collected in our mouth and you're throwing it away, you are letting go all the viruses and bacteria that are present in the mouth. This process has to be done right in the morning, immediately after you brush your teeth.
No, fantastic. So, that's and you don't need to fill up your mouth. I mean, you don't need to like stop it. Well, that's
gradually,
all right.
The volume will increase as it will become foamy.
Yeah. I get the point. Now, Rashmi, I have a question here. I mean, I'm getting more and more intrigued by Om राम रावे नमा. पहले तो हम जाने से पहले इस मंत्र को शो में ही 3 बार बोलेंगे खत्म करने से पहले. But I'm getting more intrigued. So when you consult people, I'm getting intrigued about you and how you handle your clients, and So do you do one-on-one consultation? Do you also do group consultations?
Yes.
So how do you do group consultations?
See, group consultations are only when a message that I'm spreading now. It has to be a motivational message. If there is something personal that I have to talk about somebody, keeping the privacy in point, it has to be a one-to-one session always. Like when husband and wife also come together to me, they then request one of them to go to the other room so that they can share their problems with me.
I know. I'm told, I know you are a face reader as well. So we are on a software called StreamYard. We are under license from US, and this is streaming us on Facebook. I'm sure you can see my face. So what face reading would you like to make about me? I don't mind going public about it because I want Rashmi to be predicting it accurately. Yes, Rashmi. So you will have an instant confirmation from me about yes or no.
Very creative. Economist, your Jupiter in your horoscope is very strong. I'm reading your mind, I'm reading your face. You can clarify, you can get it checked by anybody.
Brahaspati, right?
Yes. You will never
हाँ
have
मुझे
any kind of liver problems or digestive problems. You're very, very creative. Whatever field you will enter into, it will always be complemented by some artistic, by some creative field. For example,
oh
it
yeah
can be modeling, it can be fashion, it can be lifestyle. Though your background is not related to that, your education might not be related to that, but your inclination, your
true.
interest is totally because of this. It's totally towards
Wow,
of
thank you.
this.
That was absolutely accurate, and I thank
Thank you.
everyone who has recognized whatever I do, and not just people, but a lot of media agencies do recognize my talent. And perfect. Wow. I mean, I need to. So somebody cannot fool Rashmi because she can read your face and tell what is going on in your mind and what kind of a person you are. You cannot be an imposter before
That
Rashmi,
becomes
isn't it?
very
No.
difficult for me at times. It
Yeah,
becomes
yeah.
very
Abhinav,
difficult and very
we,
challenging
we
at
have a
times.
comment from Abhinav Chaturvedi, Rashmi. He's Nanne of Hum Log. He is
Yeah,
watching us,
okay,
and in
great.
Bunyad. Yeah, he,
Yeah.
he said awesome conversation. Yes, Abhinav,
Thank
indeed.
you. Thank you.
Rashmi
Hope you
is
benefit out of
outstanding.
it.
Yeah, yeah, Rashmi is outstanding. I mean, I would request all the followers, if you want to throw uncertainty out of window, then I think Rashmi can help you doing it. Now, coming down to the last segment, Rashmi, and I'm getting more intrigued to ask that when a client comes to you, वो आके बताता है आपको मुझे मैडम ये प्रॉब्लम है, मुझे ये दिक्कत है रश्मि, मुझे मेरा काम धंधा ठीक नहीं चल रहा, या मेरे परिवार में कोई दिक्कत है, लोग मुझे रिस्पेक्ट नहीं देते, मेरे को बहुत घाटा हुआ, blah blah blah, you'll have all sorts of, world is full of miseries. तो आप, how do you select which mystic science you have to choose, whether it is tarot? You said astrology is the best out of all,
Yes.
बट डू यू डिसाइड ऑन योर ओन, या वो आके आपसे कहते हैं कि मैडम मुझे तो टैरो बताइए या मुझे न्यूमरोलॉजी बताइए,
I'll
आप
tell.
कैसे करते हैं?
See, the moment somebody enters into my office and he takes a seat, before he speaks out, I share the problem for which he has come to by reading his face, by reading his mind. So he
Wow,
immediately takes out
wow,
his handkerchief and starts wiping out his forehead. I said, "How did you know
wow.
about
That's
these
that's being an
problems?"
that's being an antaryami, isn't it? So
No, no,
wow.
it is just the God's blessings that is there. I'm
Yeah,
able
yeah,
to read the minds, and I hope that I lead myself always in a positive way and keep helping people in this direction.
So I was right when I
So,
said you can't be an imposter before Rashmi. You cannot be an imposter. She's going to make out what is going on in your mind. Yes. So how do you choose then? So then my
see,
question
it
still
depends.
stands.
See, if suppose somebody comes with problems he shares, suppose he happens to share or I diagnose the problem, that the business is there in his relationships. So recently, last week only we had a conversation over Zoom that this guy says that not even a single day has passed by when I don't get into an argument with my wife.
Oh my
So,
goodness.
as I already shared with you, that accuracy, if you talk about astrology, is the most,
All right.
provided the birth details are accurate. So, the
Yeah.
first thing is to pitch into astrology. And in case the birth details are not accurate, are not known to the querent, tarot is just amazing, just amazing.
So tarot
So,
is about picking up a card. The person
yes,
comes and there is a certain energy, I'm told, which the moment the person comes in contact with the card, there is an energy which is released
it's
while
the
he's
exchange
picking up
of
the card.
aura. Yeah,
Aura, all right.
yeah,
And the
the
moment he
exchange of
picks up the
aura.
card, then the card tells the story, right? Is that the way it goes?
Yes, and plus the intuitiveness of the reader as well. If
Yeah,
the
yeah,
person
yeah.
is, suppose I am a tarot card reader and I am reading out the cards, or there's some XYZ person who has learned to find the meanings of the cards and he tries to do any prediction without being intuitive. It is like playing a guitar without a rhythm.
Oh, I see.
So you need to be in rhythm. You need to be intuitive enough. If you're not intuitive enough, by simply knowing the meaning of the cards will not you a good reader.
And my
The authenticity
my
will not be there.
my obvious question now is, a lot of people who are watching this, and I'm sure who will be watching it also. By the way, our viewership builds on over the next 48 to 72 hours. It really catches up because a lot of people. So they would like to know, and very very curiously so, कि ये intuitiveness ये आती कैसे है? ये आपके अंदर by birth है, या Kaur Bhuttar is saying, yeah, I would love to meet her. Please meet her. We brought her for the show for this purpose.
See, it
Miss Kaur
was.
Bhuttar, please.
I didn't share this with you that my premonitions started turning into reality. And this is why
Oh,
my
wow.
career, I started my career as PGT Mathematics. I was teaching in St. Columbus School, Ashok Road, and thereafter I moved on to other schools. So since there was so much restlessness because of these premonitions, they were coming out to be true.
Oh my goodness.
I
आपको पहले
started
पता लग जाना शुरू
picking
हो
up
गया कि क्या
these,
होने वाला है? हाँ?
exactly.
My goodness.
So by the grace of God, it gradually increased, and so I picked up this as a profession. So for some people, intuitiveness is a blessing, it's a gift. Some want tarot and they feel they are not intuitive enough. It can always be developed by meditation. Meditation is a very, very strong tool. It develops intuitiveness in not less than a year, provided you don't
we have a question from Sandhu Darpan. My question, Sharad जी, अगर किसी के स्टार बहुत ज्यादा खराब हो और सोल्यूशन टफ हो तो क्या सजेस्ट करेंगी? दर्पण जी, सोल्यूशन टफ तो पहले आप मिले तो सही ना उनसे, आपने अपने आप से ही मान लिया कि स्टार्स भी खराब है, सोल्यूशन भी टफ है. Am I right, Rashmi? तो इन्होंने तो खुद ही मान लिया.
Yes, you
अब
are very right. Firstly, you should never read your own chart. And how do you know आपके stars खराब हैं? Maybe you're right
exactly.
and you're not interpreting them. Maybe there's something else. So let the expert answer this.
So
You can see
yes,
me and probably we can answer this
एग्जैक्टली.
question first.
दर्पण जी, आप रश्मि से मिलिए. इनको इनको आपके बैठते ही पहले तो पता लग जाएगा कि आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है. दूसरा, ये आपके स्टार्स पढ़ लेंगी, ये बैठते ही पता लग जाएगा, इनको सब कुछ फेस भी पता लग जाएगा. तो प्लीज डू नॉट बी डिसहार्टेंड, डोंट रीड योरसेल्फ ऑन योर ओन. यू नो, अपर रश्मि, मे बी कुछ लोगों की रीडिंग इसलिए होती है क्योंकि जो घटनाएं घट रही होती है जिंदगी में, यू नो, द इवेंट्स व्हिच टेक प्लेस इन लाइफ, like you feel miserable a lot of more often than you feel happy. You are miserable more often than you feel happy. तो उसमें दर्पण जी अपनी जगह ठीक हो सकती हैं, क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि मैं बहुत दुखदाई जीवन बिता रही हूँ, या मेरे जीवन में प्रसन्नता नहीं है, माई लाइफ इज नॉट फुल ऑफ हैप्पीनेस. तो ये तो उनको खुद भी पता लगता है, इसमें चार्ट पढ़ने की तो जरूरत नहीं है ना रश्मि. सो यू नो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से. So then maybe she's right.
Yeah, I agree. See, basically, at times there was an example I'll share with you. A lady came to me. So she said that whatever I speak to my husband, whatever I ask him, he does right the opposite of it. So I requested her to share his birth details with me.
Yeah.
So on analyzing his birth details, I realized the planet which is responsible for speech is not well placed, and it is under the impact of Kritika Nakshatra, Kritika constellation. Kritika is what? It is a knife, it is a scissor. So whatever you will speak about, he will go against you.
Oh, I see.
So whatever you want to do, he will do right the opposite. So on making her understand about all these things, all these points, that this is how things are astrologically, and by explaining her to do few remediations, she's become so smart now. She says that whatever I do, so after doing the remedy, she says whatever I have to do now, I ask right the opposite of what I want actually.
Wow.
What I actually demanded.
Wow, that's
so in a way he's also happy and I'm also happy.
Oh, that's
so
interesting.
He will find solutions. It's just guidance is required. A right designer is required to pitch in. That's it. Life is
Fantastic.
simple. We are making it complex unnecessarily, I guess.
Lovely, fantastic.
It's not that as bad. No heavens have fallen down for anybody.
Yeah. My last question to you, Rashmi, and I'm sure if you do not mind sharing that, what kind of consultation cost do they have to incur? I'm sure a lot of people want to connect with you. तो आप क्या पर आवर लेते हैं, या पर मुसीबत लेते हैं, या पर ग्रह लेते हैं, कैसे लेते हैं आप?
No, if you talk about consultation, if suppose somebody wants to see me, whether it is for a tarot or astrologic or like a numerological session or a face reading session, I charge 3,100 for 40 minutes.
Oh, that's
so
pretty.
So whether it is for tarot, it's for tarot 45 minutes, 3,100. So it is your choice what service you want to. So it is the choice at your end first.
Yeah.
Choose one particular service, or you want to leave it to me. It's entirely a decision, a mutual decision.
Wow, that's very, very reasonable, I must say. Very reasonable. So ladies and gentlemen, for banishing the problems and miseries out of your life, I think कई बार हम मुसीबतें हमसे 3100 के कई गुना खर्च करवा देती हैं, और कई गुना उसकी परेशानी हो जाती है. So I think it's a very, very reasonably charged service, which Yeah, please.
And plus the remediations are very easy, practical and effective. They are very economical as well. It is like 30, 40 or maximum 50 rupees a week, which is nothing these days. So
चलिए
which
तो
you have
हम
to give it to somebody.
Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, do not hesitate to reach to Rashmi. हम 3 बार मंत्र पढ़ते हैं रश्मि. ओम राम रावे नमा, ओम राम रावे नमा, ओम राम रावे नमा. एंड विद दिस राहु जी से प्रार्थना करते हैं. राहु जी प्लीज आप जो है फिर कभी याद करिएगा. अभी प्लीज आप जाके जहां आप रहते हैं वहीं रहिए. ये कोरोना को लेके जाइए. लोग बेचारे घर में फंसे बैठे हैं, काम काज नहीं हो रहा. पर अगर परेशानी है तो रश्मि मिगलानी is always there to design your life. With those words, ladies and gentlemen, to the followers of Fashion Lifestyle Magazine and Business Networking Platform, thank you once again for connecting with us on this wonderful show. No heavens have fallen down. जाते जाते रश्मि एक sentence में, would you like to say something before we sign off?
You want to hear a good news or a bad news? First, tell me that.
Whatever. No, good news, because this is no heavens have fallen down. So good news.
Okay. So I'll surely give you good news. Prior to that, I'll even warn you, since this combination of planets have occurred in 2019, prior to that, it was there in the times of 9/11 as well. The same combination is going to come again in 2038. So ladies and gentlemen, pre-prepared yourself for yourself. In 2038 is going to be even disastrous. So this is it. This is not any kind of, I'm not scaring you. I'm just making you aware that problems come and they go off, and this corona is going to go off this December. So my last message will be that it's very challenging to be calm and positive in this tough era of COVID-19. But it's not impossible. We need to be indoors. We need to be positive. We need to be calm. We value our loved ones. So for the sake of our loved ones, we have to be inside. We have to take full precautions from corona, whatever guidelines have been given by WHO. Going out, having luxury time, meeting your friends, everything can be delayed. Everything you will be able to enjoy, provided you are safe, provided you are there. So
all right,
my last
lovely
message is this: jaan hai to jahan hai. If you are there, then only you can enjoy. So each one, I request each one of you matter here. Not all of you. I'm saying each single individual, because if a single one gets infected, it is going to spread to masses. So each one of you are going to add. You are an asset to this country, an asset to this world, to this universe. So please, whatever I request you personally, whatever guidelines have been given by WHO, please adhere to them. Value your loved ones. Utilize this quarantine time. It is a blessing in disguise, but for sure, nobody wants this time to come again. We all hope and pray that this time doesn't come back again. So
lovely.
Make an effort, help somebody smile, and making that little on your part. See how that blissful smile bounces back on your face as well.
Fine. Thank you so much. I think to all the viewers, we have overshot the time today for two reasons. One, because we had some connectivity issue in the beginning. And second, because Rashmi was trying to solve the problem at a cosmic level, at a macro level. So it would have been very unjust to have cut short the conversation. Thank you so much, Rashmi. I'm sure a lot of people will want to connect. Would you like to speak out your phone number and the method in which people should connect to you?
Yeah. I can share my email ID and as well as my websites. They can contact me through that, and I usually answer in a span of 24 hours.
And what is your website address? What is your web address?
My website is www.rashmimiglani.com.
Oh, so it's as simple as that. www.rashmimiglani.com. Ladies and gentlemen, visit the website, sort out your problems of not just corona, but lot of other things corona, which the miseries should never do to you. She's there to find your solution. Thank you so much, Rashmi. It was absolutely a pleasure having you. Ladies and gentlemen, until we connect tomorrow again at 12:30 same time. Goodbye, good luck, stay safe. और फिर एक बार राहु जी को प्रणाम करते हुए thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sharad, for having me here. It was a pleasure being here. here, and I'm sure whatever remedies I have shared, people are going to benefit out of. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you very
and,
much.
Stay home,
Thank
stay
you.
safe. Have a good day.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.